Here's a sterilizer. It comes with the plug. You plug it in right there, and it comes with 2 shelves. You can see one shelf has a little leg on the bottom. That one goes down here. The other one is just the shelf itself, and you put it on the little nubs on the side. So 2 shelves, and it's recommended to put it for 20 minutes before you put anything in it. So you turn it on. You set the time right here. So we'll leave it at 20 minutes. You have the UV light in the back, and this is really easy to operate. It's just the on and off switch and the timer. The time, you could set it from 5 to 60 minutes, and it's in increments of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20. So right now I have it sterilizing for 20 minutes. It's on 18 right now. So just leave it until it cleans out itself, and this helps eliminate any smells or anything in there. So before you put anything, make sure you run it for 20 minutes.